Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best charger replacement is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of pet tech maintenance, but it's crucial for keeping your furry friends safe and sound. A faulty charger can lead to a dead collar, a broken fence, or even a lost pet. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of PetSafe charger replacements, ensuring your devices stay powered and your pets stay protected. Number 5. PetSafe Remote Trainer USB Adapter. Need a replacement charger for your dog training collar? This USB charging cable is the perfect solution. It makes it easy to power your training collar and remote from a single outlet. This Y-split charger cable is designed for your convenience. It allows you to charge both the transmitter and receiver simultaneously, minimizing downtime and keeping your gear ready for use. This portable cable is designed to fit various yard range trainers. It ensures that your pet accessories are always powered up and ready for training sessions. PetSafe has US roots and a worldwide reach. They provide vet and trainer-recommended solutions and exceptional customer support. Their goal is to create fields of joy for pets. Since 1998, PetSafe has been creating safe, innovative, and trusted products. They aim to bring joy, enhance pet lives, and support the lifelong bond between pets and their families. What we like. This charger's Y-split design allows you to charge both your remote and collar simultaneously, saving you valuable time. It's compatible with multiple PetSafe models, ensuring versatility. If you have multiple devices to charge or need a reliable solution for your training sessions, this is the perfect choice. It's a convenient and efficient way to keep your gear ready. What people say. This is a great product because it works quickly and charges both the unit and the remote together. Super easy to use, works perfect and chargers fast. Works just like the original charger. Number 4. PetSafe Fast Charging Collar Cable. This PetSafe charger keeps your dog's collar ready for training or fence use. It ensures the collar is always powered up so your pet stays safe and engaged. The USB charging cable provides a fast and dependable charging solution. It fully recharges the collar in just 2 to 3 hours, so it's always ready for use. This charger is designed to work seamlessly with your fence system. It's compatible with a wide range of PetSafe receiver collars, ensuring a perfect fit. PetSafe is a company with US roots and a global presence. They provide vet and trainer-recommended solutions and excellent customer support. For over 25 years, PetSafe has been creating safe and innovative products. They aim to bring joy to pets and strengthen the bond between pets and their families. What we like. This charger offers quick and reliable charging for your dog's collar, ensuring it's always ready for use. It's specifically designed for PetSafe fence systems, providing peace of mind. If you rely on a wireless or in-ground fence to keep your dog safe, this charger ensures the system is always powered. It's a must-have for maintaining your dog's safety. What people say. When it arrived, it worked just as described. Functions very well and it charges with super fast speed. The cord is very durable. This works great to charge collar. No issues. Works great. Number 3. T-Power 18V Charger for PetSafe ScoopFree. This is a brand new charger from T-Power. It's designed to provide the power your PetSafe ScoopFree Ultra self-cleaning cat litter box needs to operate efficiently. This charger is compatible with various PetSafe ScoopFree models, including RFA 516, PAL 00-14243, PAL 00-15342, and PAL 00-14242. It ensures your cat's litter box functions smoothly. The input voltage range is designed to be compatible with your power source. The output is 18V, ensuring the device receives the correct power supply. If your original charger is damaged or lost, this T-Power charger is a perfect replacement. It will restore the functionality of your self-cleaning litter box. Simply plug it in, and it's ready to go. This charger is a reliable solution for keeping your PetSafe ScoopFree litter box running, making your life easier. What we like. This adapter is designed to power your PetSafe ScoopFree Ultra self-cleaning cat litter box. It is compatible with multiple models, ensuring a perfect fit. If you own a self-cleaning litter box and need a reliable power source, this adapter is the ideal solution. It keeps your cat's environment clean and fresh. What people say. The charger works perfectly. It charges the collar as it should. Number 2. PetSpy P620 Dog Training Collar. This collar offers 3 training modes: vibration, static correction, and a beep. It has 16 adjustable levels, allowing you to find the perfect setting for your dog. This helps you effectively train your dog. Whether you're a beginner or a professional trainer, this collar is easy to use. The design allows for blind operation, making it simple to adjust settings. It's designed to make training straightforward. The collar is rechargeable and waterproof, built to withstand various conditions. It has a long battery life, suitable for any dog's active lifestyle. This ensures it's ready for any adventure. With a range of up to 650 yards, this collar is great for recall training. It's suitable for dogs weighing 10 to 140 pounds. This gives you the freedom to train your dog in various environments. If you have any issues with the collar, customer support is available 24/7. They are ready to help with any problems. This provides peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This training collar offers multiple modes and adjustable levels to suit your dog's needs. It has a long range, making it suitable for various training scenarios. If you're looking for a versatile and durable training solution, this collar is a great option. It's designed to withstand any dog's lifestyle. What people say. Works great. It charged my dog collars. Item was exactly what I expected it to be and works great. Number 1. HQRP charger for SportDOG RFA 220 radio systems. This is a replacement charger for your SportDOG or radio systems device. It comes with a Euro plug adapter, making it convenient for use in various locations. The charger ensures your device is always ready to go. The charger accepts AC 100V, 240V input, suitable for worldwide use. It provides a DC 12V output at 0.25A. This ensures efficient and safe charging for your device. This charger is UL listed with multiple safety features. It includes overload, thermal, short circuit, and overvoltage protection. These features ensure the safety of both the charger and your device. This HQRP charger is designed to replace the original charger for the listed models. Please note that the dog training collar and transmitter are not included. Make sure it is compatible with your device before use. The package includes the HQRP replacement charger and a Euro plug adapter. It is a reliable and efficient solution for keeping your device powered. Get yours today and never worry about a dead battery again. What we like. This charger is UL listed, ensuring safety and reliability. It includes safety features like overload and short circuit protection. If you need a safe and reliable charger with a Euro plug adapter, this product is perfect for you. It provides peace of mind with its safety features. What people say. Worked great with 2-prong. They work well. Good replacement for charger that I lost. Works for my PetSafe shock collar. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.